Hello friends, today in our video we are going to look at how to disable checkout with multiple address in Magento. Checkout with multiple address is a default feature provided by Magento and is nice to offer it to the customers, but there are some cases that this might not be necessary or sometimes be confusing for the customers during the checkout process. And hence store owners might want to disable it to make the checkout simple and easier for the customers. So in order to disable the checkout with multiple addresses, we need to navigate to stores configuration, and under the sales we have multi-shipping settings. So here we have the option allow shipping to multiple address, and we need to uncheck this and set this to no in order to disable checkout with multiple addresses. Once you've changed this option, click on the save config button. So this will disable the checkout with multiple addresses option in the cart and the checkout pages, and hence customers need not have an extra option in order to click and explore or waste their time. So the checkout would be much simpler for them to complete the order. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.